In this video, I'm going to compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, SpyFu and SaleSource. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. If you pick the wrong tool, that's a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools to help you out, like their product discovery features, supplier database, pricing, subscription costs, automation features, and so much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both SpyFu and SaleSource in the description of this video, so you can check them out. And now let's get started. SpyFu doesn't directly offer product discovery features for dropshipping, but it has great insights for competitive keywords that you can use, and that can help you with your ad strategies and help you identify trending products or niches based on search traffic and advertising trends. Now, what about market analysis? SpyFu excels in market analysis from an SEO and PPC perspective. It provides comprehensive data on competitors' keyword strategies, organic and paid search results, and historical ad variations. This information is crucial for dropshippers that are trying to understand market trends, optimize their content and strategies, and to help them place ads effectively. What about integrations with platforms like Shopify and other dropshipping e-commerce platforms? Well, SpyFu mainly focuses on SEO and PPC, so it doesn't integrate directly with these e-commerce platforms for product management or listing, but dropshippers can utilize the insights that they get from SpyFu to enhance their listings and ads on the platforms, no matter what platform it is, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or anything else. And they will have to do this manually, though. There is no automatic integration. What about supplier database? Well, SpyFu is not specifically a dropshipping tool, so they don't offer supplying database for different products for your business. What about pricing and profitability tools? Once again, they're not a dropshipping focused tool, so they don't actually offer direct pricing and profitability tools for dropshipping. But the keyword and ad cost data that you can get with SpyFu can help users estimate advertising expenses and gauge the competitiveness of pricing strategies in their niche. What about user interface and ease of use? Well, SpyFu offers a user-friendly interface that's straightforward and easy to navigate. New users can quickly learn to navigate throughout the tons of data that's available, and they also have lots of tutorials and other helpful information as well. Customer support and community is another place where SpyFu does really well. They have excellent customer support with options for contacting them via phone, email, as well as chat. They also offer a rich library of tutorials and a community forum where users can exchange strategies and insights. They also have a blog right here that you can see where you can get lots of information and strategies about keywords and SEO in general to help you in your business. So what about their pricing structure? Well, if we look at pricing right here, we can see they have 3 different plans. They can also offer monthly as well as annual subscriptions. And if you go annual, then you can save up to 30%. So it starts from the basic plan at $39 a month, goes up to the professional at $79 a month. And then the limited time offers in between are some of their most popular, which is you can actually get the basic plan for just $9 a month for a discount, as well as a pro plan, the professional here, for just $49 a month instead of $79. And so you can see everything that's included in all of these plans, and you can sign up right now using the link in the description if you want to try it out. Now, what about the automation features? Well, SpyFu provides detailed analytics and reporting on SEO and PPC campaigns, including keyword rankings, cost per click, and search volume. These insights are essential for optimizing your advertising pricing and content strategies. Now, one thing that's unfortunate is that at the time that I'm recording this video, SpyFu does not actually offer a mobile app. So if you are planning on using your phone to get analytics and research, then unfortunately they don't have an app that you can use. But what do users have to say? What's some of the feedback and reviews? Well, the general feedback for SpyFu is actually quite positive, especially regarding its depth of data on the competitors' search strategies. Users appreciate the actionable insights that help them refine their SEO and PPC efforts. Some users have noted that they would appreciate a more modern interface and faster data updates, but overall, it's still a great platform that can help you out a lot for research in your dropshipping business. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.